Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up and I look like a bag of beauty. I know, right? Yes, I know. Alright, enough of me. I was just wondering what to eat because I was hungry, and then I realized, yeah, I have a go-to breakfast, which is oats and banana smoothie. So I will show you guys how I make this breakfast smoothie. So let's just get straight to the video. This is the recipe for the smoothie. Here I have some cashew nuts, and then I have some bananas, I have some ice, yeah, I have soy milk and oats. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They are gluten-free whole grains and great source of important vitamins, mineral, fiber, and antioxidants. The vitamin C, potassium, and other vitamins and minerals in banana helps to maintain overall good health. Cashew nuts are low in sugar and rich in fiber as well. It is a good source of copper, magnesium, manganese, which are important in energy production, heart health, and brain health. The protein in soy milk is healthy plant-based and can help support healthy muscles and organs. Soy milk is rich in omega fatty acid, which help reduce the risk of certain diseases. I love almond milk too. You can use any milk of your choice. This is my ice. Into my plate, I'm going to add in 3 spoons of oats. Yeah, just 3 spoons, depending on how many you want to consume. And I had to close this up so it doesn't get airy. And then I added water into the oats. I am going to stir this. I'm going to stir it and strain it. You can strain into the sink, or you can use a sieve to strain out the water. Some do this, some don't do this, but I do this. I think and hope and know that it is necessary. And I went ahead to wash my bananas. Make sure you wash your bananas, guys. People don't wash their bananas, and I don't know why, because they feel it has no effect, but it does. So into my blender, I added in the 3 bananas that I have, and I added the strained oats. I added the oats that I've washed or strained, whatever. And I added the nuts, the cashew nuts. I didn't add all, like I said, depending on how many you want. And this is the soy milk. This is from Vitamilk, guys. You can use any milk of your choice. I love almond milk too. And when I'm not using oats in my smoothies, I also use oats milk. It is one of my favorites as well. This milk was blocked, so this little was what came out of it. I kept it in the freezer and it was blocked for a while, so I had to manage this. You can use water, you can add water here at this juncture if you want, but I prefer ice because I love it when my smoothie is chilled in the morning. I literally enjoy it the more that way when it's chilled. So I had to blend this up. Blend. Make sure you blend the oats very well. And this soy milk, guys, it tastes so good. For those of you who wants to add weight, you can use a full cream milk. You can use dairy, but I don't use dairy. I prefer plant-based milk. So this is it, guys. I'm going to use this my smoothie jar, and I got this at the China mall. If you guys want some, I didn't order it online. And I'm going to pour in my smoothie. Oh my goodness, see how creamy this is. Yeah. So guys, the texture of your smoothie depends on how much milk or water you added to it. You can add either much or less to make it thick or watery. So guys, this is my favorite go-to breakfast. It is easy to make, so simple. You can just make this in a quickie when you are in a haste, working or heading to work. This is so good. This smoothie is packed with loads of nutrients, guys. It has vitamin C in it, it has potassium, it has magnesium, it has manganese, it has copper, it has healthy fats, guys. Healthy fats. Soy milk, cashew nuts. Instead of you to eat these unhealthy fats, vegetable oil that you guys call granite oil, why not have this healthy fats in your smoothie? If you're not a fan of cashew nuts, if you can't have it, if you can't snack it, guys, blend it. It's way easier. If you can't eat bananas, blend it. It is even more preferable to blend bananas than to eat it like that, because it might add you up. So blending it breaks it down and helps you maintain your weight, add the weight at the right places. If you're a woman, your butt, you want to increase it, these are the kind of smoothies you have to be taking. So like I said, if you want to add weight, you can use dairy or full cream milk. It will definitely add it up, but this will not make you really fat. It will just maintain your shape and add the right fat at the right places. Guys, I enjoy this so much. It is delicious, period. Alright guys, I'm done. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and stay healthy. Eat healthy foods. Bye.